Can I lose my permanent resident status in Canada?
Yes, you absolutely can. And a lot of the calls we do get, Jerry, are people who are like, "Oh, I haven't been able to manage to be here long enough. What can you do to help me keep my PR?" And it's very hard because it's about their intention and their past behavior or their past decision making. You can't overcome that. So sometimes if people will literally get their PR and come and spend 10 days in Canada and disappear. And then like after 4.5 years, they're like, "Oh my God, I have to get back to Canada." They can come back to Canada if it's less than 5 years have passed, but they have to sit in Canada for that 2 years to accumulate that time to apply for the new PR card. So maintaining permanent residence is sometimes different from obtaining the PR card, which is the travel document. The other thing that people can do to maintain their PR is if you are with a Canadian citizen or permanent resident abroad, say your spouse is there for work and you're with that person, you're actually maintaining your PR, even if you're gone for 5 years. And you can renew your card from abroad because you can show you're accompanying a permanent resident or citizen. But the other way that people will lose it is if they have criminality. And unfortunately, like I've had the most interesting case this year where somebody, a number of things that happened in their life, and they were convicted of several things, and all along thought they were basically bulletproof and maybe thought they're even a citizen. They've been here since they were 12 from the UK, only to find out that the criminality and the conviction and the repercussions were then communicated to Canadian immigration. And I got the call to help to try to see what we can do, or he would be deported back to a country he hadn't been to for 20 years, didn't have any family, etc. So it can be lost. And usually it's criminality reasons that people can lose it or the lack of presence in Canada.